Greetings, tech enthusiasts. It's time to shed some light on an incredibly practical keyboard, the SABLUTE large print backlit keyboard. This isn't your average keyboard, it's designed to enhance your typing experience in ways you never thought possible. Let's dive into all the illuminating details. Introducing the SABLUTE large print backlit keyboard. If you're tired of squinting at tiny keys or working in dimly lit spaces, this keyboard might just be your new best friend. Let's explore what makes it stand out. First off, the standout feature, the large font design. The characters on this keyboard are a whopping 4 times larger than those on standard keyboards. It's an absolute game changer for beginners looking to improve their typing speed and a blessing for seniors, students, and office workers who want clarity. The SABLUTE keyboard boasts not 1, not 2, but 7 levels of brightness and 7 different colors for its backlighting. You can choose from 4 different backlight modes, making typing in low-light environments a breeze. Adjusting the brightness is easy, just use the FN key along with specific keys to find your ideal setting. Setting up this keyboard couldn't be simpler. It's a plug-and-play device, so there's no need for charging or battery changes. Just plug the 5.17 feet USB-A cable into your computer or laptop, and you're ready to start typing. This keyboard is highly adaptable and compatible with PCs and laptops, as well as various operating systems like Windows, Vista, Mac OS, and Chrome. However, do note that some multimedia keys may not be fully compatible with Mac OS systems. Now, let's talk comfort. The large font design isn't just for show, it's designed for your comfort. It can help relieve eye fatigue caused by small fonts while typing. Plus, there's a foldable stand on the back of the keyboard to keep your wrists in a comfortable position, improving your posture and reducing wrist pain during those long work hours. Here's something you'll appreciate. The SABLUTE keyboard features a silent design. The keys are super quiet, making it perfect for use in a calm environment. It's a wired keyboard that delivers a fast response, ensuring there's no delay when typing. Say goodbye to frustrating lag. Who's this keyboard for? Well, it's not just for one type of user. Whether you're a software developer, data analyst, designer, or someone with visual impairments, this keyboard caters to a wide range of people. It's designed to enhance both work and entertainment efficiency, making it suitable for various environments and users. SABLUTE takes your satisfaction seriously. They offer a 90-day replacement service to ensure that their large print backlit keyboard meets your needs. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. They're here to assist you. In conclusion, the SABLUTE large print backlit keyboard is a practical and user-friendly solution for those looking to improve their typing experience, especially in low-light conditions. Its large font design, customizable backlighting, and ergonomic features make it a standout choice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the UK Pro Reviewer channel for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, may your keystrokes be swift and your work well illuminated. Stay tech savvy, my friends.